Hey everyone, Myrna here, Swalty Computer Chick, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the snipping tool that's been lurking on everybody's computer all these years. And I really run across a handful of people that actually use it, and it's a very handy tool. And the ones that use it keep it bookmarked at the bottom of their taskbar like I do. So let's just dive right in. I want you to go to the search box, because I swear it's on your computer, your Windows 10 computer. And we're going to type in snipping tool. There it is, and I have it pinned to my taskbar. That's why this is here, so it's easy to find. So we're just going to open it up. We're going to keep it simple. There's different modes you can use. Freeform snip, rectangle snip. You can do a whole window shot, a whole screenshot, a full screen snip too as well. So we're going to choose the freeform, and I'm going to show you how that works. See that? That's how easy it is. And you can save it as, whether you want to save it as a JPEG or a PNG file. PNG file is a better digital picture to use over a JPEG. So I would always save it as a PNG file because you're going to have a better image wherever you decide to display this. So we're going to leave it right there. We're going to do this one more time. I'm not going to save it. We're going to try it one more time because it's really simple. Don't blink. New. Oh, let's try again. How's that? Isn't that cool? So you can make any design you want out of the picture you want to make unique for your, whether it's for your website, for a document, a PowerPoint, something like that. So we're going to try it here. Bear with me for a second. We're going to do this. Come on, let me do it. How's that? There you go, right out of a web page. You can do whatever you wish, and then you can edit the photo as well in Snipping Tool. And of course you can save it. Let's try saving one. New. Right there. Okay, and then now we'll save it. Did it let me save it? We'll try again. New. Why didn't let? So you even got part of the snipping tool in there. Very good. Save it. The old floppy disk picture. So I'm going to save it to my desktop, and it will save it as a PNG file. Where did we put that? I know my desktop is full. There it is. There's a screenshot. There it is. And it's kind of just a cool version, whether when you're trying to create something in a document or a PowerPoint slide, of a snippet of a website here, a document there, a picture here, just part of the picture. You can do whatever you want. So find the snipping tool on your computer and keep it simple and start playing with the different features that are in it, and I swear you're going to love it. You're going to love it just to sometimes send screenshots, small screenshots, to your colleagues, family, or friends. So stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, you can buy me a cup of coffee, and the link will be in the comments below. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.